Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about two very important but often overlooked aspects of facial health. Facial massage and early intervention in facial disorders. Let's start with facial massage. What is facial massage and why it is beneficial? Facial massage isn't just about relaxation or beauty. It has real therapeutic benefits. Some of the important benefits of facial massage are: number 1, improved circulation. Next is muscle relaxation and toning. The third one is it improves your lymphatic drainage. Facial massage encourages lymph flow, which will help you to reduce the puffiness and will flush out toxins from your face. Last but not the least is stress relief. Whenever you go through facial disorders like facial paralysis, Bell's palsy, TM joint dysfunction, facial muscle asymmetry, or nerve related condition, at that time you should ensure that you take care of your facial disorder as soon as possible. Never ignore early signs of facial dysfunction. Here's why early action matters: because it prevents muscle wasting and misalignment. After your nerve is damaged or there is inactivity in the face, facial muscles will not only weaken but they will get fibrosed. They will develop compensation. Early therapy will help to keep these muscles active, preventing long term deformity or atrophy. Facial massages will enhance nerve recovery. In cases like Bell's palsy or nerve injury, you can stimulate your facial muscles without using electrical stimulation with the help of your hand. Stimulating your muscles early through guided massage and gentle massage can speed up the nerve regeneration and functional recovery to an extent, not completely, to an extent. It reduces the long term complication like synkinesis, where one muscle activates involuntarily with other. It also helps in reducing the chances of development of chronic pain. Psychological stress that will develop in you due to your appearance challenge will also reduce. Hence, early intervention will lower the risk significantly. And that's not all. It will boost your confidence and emotional well. Our face plays a huge role in expression and social connection. Quick action ensures patients don't lose their ability to smile, talk clearly, or express emotions comfortably. So, whether you're dealing with facial condition, recovering from surgery, or aiming to take better care of your face, don't underestimate the power of facial massage and early therapeutic care. It's not just skin care, it's the muscle care, nerve care, or emotional care. If you or someone you know is noticing changes in facial movement or tension, don't wait. Consult a qualified physiotherapist or facial rehab specialist as soon as possible. Your face deserves proactive care, just like rest of your body. Thank you for watching, and remember, healing starts with awareness and action. If you want to know more about your facial recovery and rehabilitation, reach out to us. The details to reach out to us are mentioned in the description box. Thank you.